Here's Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, November 2021, the Sunday before Thanksgiving. Walking the concourse of the terminal here. You can see it's more people than when I was here in January, and more shops open, but not crazy busy. This little coffee shop, let's see if it's open. This was closed my last trip, and now the People's Organic is open again. So that's a sign of hope. Plus, I heard the Escape Lounge is open, and a lot of these shops here have reopened in the main concourse. Whereas I would say in January 2021, every other one was closed. This one is still closed, the wine market. But most of the others, from what I saw, had lights on instead of every other one locked up. Johnston and Murphy, the little markets, Chili's is open, so a good sign.